So, as an entrepreneur, when you set up your business, just make sure you've got different channels through which your money flows. Now, I understand when you first start off, you might actually use some of your own money to get your business going, and therefore you might have some business expenses flowing through your personal bank account and things like that. But I always advise to say right from the beginning, when your company is incorporated, open up a business bank account and open up a different, even in terms of savings, in terms of current account, whatever it is, open up something that is different from what you have, and ensure that every time you raise an invoice or anytime somebody pays you something that is business related, it's done in the name of the company. In fact, now just thinking back on another bad habit, what people normally do with entrepreneurs is that at times you are invoiced in your company, but then the person pays it into your personal bank account. That after some time creates this puzzle that is very difficult to untangle. And I can't even begin to tell you the tax implications of doing that. So I would say keep it clean. Right from the beginning, separate your business expenses from your personal expenses and ensure that there are different channels through which they flow, including things like your phone bill, for example. If you have to open a cell phone account in the name of the business, do so that expense actually is accounted for on the business account. So just to try and separate that, create a different identity for your business and your personal expenditure, and know that whenever the two interlink or wherever you take money from the business, that's a loan. That is money that you owe the business, and the other way around as well.